Oren and Pinky are having fun at the park. Come on, kids. Why not join in on the fun? Wait, what are you up to? Careful with that stick! Hey, at least aim for the slide next time. Well, at least you can say you stuck the landing. Don't worry, a new friend could be right around the corner. Come on, you guys are gonna travel in style. Yeah, Mom doesn't need to know who followed you home. To the sink! You guys could use a bath. All it takes is a little soap, water, and elbow grease. Hope that bow's not dry clean only. Okay, Oren, it's your turn. Oh no! Does your face hurt? Well, it's killing us. Don't worry, we can fix you up. All better. And let's throw in a quick shave, too. Probably should pop that pimple while we're here. Ah, you two have never looked better. You guys are hungry? Let's check out the kitchen. Ooh, Mom's got quite the spread laid out. Don't worry, I'm sure she won't notice. How about some fish? Not pescatarians, I see. A carrot? No. Okay, we need to rethink this. In fact, why don't we make a kitchen just your size? Nobody can say no to noodles. Ooh, looks like it's the instant kind. And there's plenty enough for the two of you. Wait, silly Sprunkies, we need toppings. Some sausages and broccoli. For some extra protein, how about a quail egg? Though it's practically an ostrich egg for you guys. Ooh, do you guys need antacid or something? What goes in must come out eventually. But first, I think you've earned a pizza break. How old is that? Either way, grab that cardboard. Stack up some more boxes and add some wallpaper. And soon, your Sprunkies will have their own privy. Yeah, let's add a bag for an easy disposal. Okay, guys, who wants to break it in? Maybe we should close those curtains. Your turn, Oren. Hey, did you wash your hands? Well, we might as well check out the damage. Feeling flushed? Didn't you hear about letting sleeping dogs lie? After all, this girl's a real ball of energy. Well, either way, someone's sleeping good tonight. Yeah, maybe we should look into it. Uh-oh, Oren, Pinky, you're all to pieces. Well, brick by brick, we'll put you back together. Don't worry, soon you'll have a good head on your shoulders. Plus a few other necessary accessories. You're never fully dressed without antennae. See? You're feeling just as animated as ever. And you look it too. Something tells me you should turn down the volume. Don't worry, she's a little nearsighted. Why, she won't even notice that book's upside down. See? So say hi to Aslan for Mom. By the way, did you notice there's a disco in your cabinet? Oh, it's just a giant blowout party with planned choreography and a bespoke song. Anyone thirsty? We'll get the apple juice ready. Did I say juice? Silly me. I meant the turntables. Make some holes for buttons. We're going real high tech. Add a rainbow. It's kind of a Sprunky thing. How about we empty that can next? After all, the speakers are the stars of the show. Come on, everybody. This will really get the party started. What's cooler than cool? Cool Tool! I think it's time we squeeze in some homework. Tired? Well, I guess a quick nap won't hurt. Careful, you two! Oh no! You deleted her work! Well, some candies will cheer you up. I think she's got an idea. Let's start by polishing up this box. Here's a familiar face. It's Funbot. We're gonna give him a full body makeover, complete with a brand new motherboard. And you just can't beat a widescreen. It looks like our Sprunkies want to play. After all, they'll get to see some old friends. Uh-oh, it's starting to look like Halloween. That's enough digital fun for one day. I think it's time for all of us to hit the hay. But we'll need to make one more craft first. And this box sure could use some legs. It's a Simon TV, and it's already got antennae. Some people love to fall asleep watching TV. But this really puts a new spin on things. Besides, it really helps with hiding in plain sight. Turn off the TV. It's time for bed. And it looks like Mom's none the wiser. Pay no attention to the Sprunkies behind the curtain. Aw, they're asleep. Not a bad idea. Wake up! Mama needs you to go to the market. All the essentials. And the Sprunkies want to come too. The eggs are over here. Hey, where are you two off to? Let's see, fresh fruit and something crispy. I mean, fruit's sweet, but so is candy. And soda too. Some Sprunkies really have a sweet tooth. You remembered Mom's Labubu's, right? Well, it's checkout time. Keep the change. Hold on, you've got some unchecked items. A lot! This looks like a job for store security. Miss, do you care to open that bag? Well, someone's gonna spend time in grocery jail. Don't worry, the Sprunkies are here to help. Maybe we should introduce Mom to your new friends. You can only hide them for so long. These guys really do leave an impression. Okay, we need to hide the evidence. I don't think Mom will notice, do you? What are we gonna do with it anyway? Here's an idea. Fill it up with hot glue. Pink, naturally. And add some glitter. Add a pin-on back before it dries up. A new Pinky! Don't forget the bow. Always keep her on and in your heart. Running out of ways to hide the Sprunkies? No matter. Something tells me Mama knows. But I wouldn't get too worried about it. After all, she's practically their biggest fan. The problem now is that she'll want you to collect the rest. Come on, girls. It's time for school. Calm down. One at a time. One at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is Pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue. You got the blame. But don't get angry. Get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box. And it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be?
Woo!
Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vinaria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 + 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are 3-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test.